Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sharon.
Jack is into his app.
And welcome back to our channel, okay? Where you're going to hear some not so average financial tips to help fix that broke millionaire mindset of yours, okay? Today, we're going to teach you how to keep money in your pocket.
Uh-oh, here it comes.
So we'll be back with financial tip number 9.
Y'all see this crybaby over here? Well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not so average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Financial tip number 9. Does this look familiar? Will work for food. You see this everywhere along the highway, no matter where you go. Let me tell you what to do the next time you see one of these signs. Drive the hell off. Because these people are scam artists, okay? And let me ask you this. Will work for food? What the hell are the rest of us working for, huh? We don't get hungry. We're not working for food.
I'm hungry too, man.
Oh, it's on now. Oh, yeah.
Hello.
It's on. All right, let me back up, okay? Before I start getting hate letters, I understand that there are people who are in need in this country, okay? I understand that. But there are those who prey
bloodsuckers
on sympathetic hearts like mine, okay, to make a living. All right, these people are so good, they've got their whole family involved now. They've got their kids on the side of the road with them. They even brought Fido out, the dog. Okay?
Yeah, boy.
The dog looks healthier than me. All right, but you hungry. You will work for food, but that's all you want to work
You
for?
must be crazy.
If you are really sincere and hungry and want an opportunity to make a living like the rest of us, take that same sign you have, will work for food. Where'd I put it? Where'd I put that?
Now that's a damn shame.
There you go. Mm-hmm. Okay? Take the same sign on down to the unemployment
Get
office.
a J-O-B.
I'm sure they'll be able to give you a job where you can work for food and more and start contributing to society and helping us who are breaking our backs every day to make a living for ourselves and our families, and stop scamming people out of money, okay? Out of their hard-earned money. You guys, stop giving these people your money, all right? We have resources out there. This country is rich enough. Lord knows we're giving enough foreign aid. So we should be able to provide resources for our own Americans, okay? There shouldn't be one hungry or homeless person here in this country with the amount of foreign aid given by our government off of the backs of American taxpayers.
Uh-oh, here it comes.
I'm just saying, okay?
Give me back my tax money.
So if you know someone who sincerely needs help, please do help them if they are sincere. But make certain that they are, okay? Don't just give away your money like that. These are scam artists. Some of these people live so much better than we do. Houses bigger than ours. Oh, they're watching me right now because guess what? They have cell phones, y'all. Please, these people are not broke, all right? They're just lazy. They're just lazy and inconsiderate. Anyways, guys, I'd like to always leave you with an opportunity to create success in your own lives, okay? Just go ahead and hit that link, click on that link in the description box, www.successyouwin.com. It will then take you to a free video that I want you to watch in its entirety, and you decide whether this is something for you or not. You know, it's just something that I'd like to offer my viewers, out of the kindness of my own heart. I'm so kind. To go ahead and click subscribe, please. Give us a thumbs up. Send us comments, engage with us. We really would appreciate that. And we will see you on the next video.